Shane, one thing you talked about measuring your yields. What were you doing to know that things were coming up okay? Are we doing soil and
Yeah, I do. I do soil tests. This is my soil testing tool. It's just basically a pocket knife, which I go and dig into the soil and dig the soil up, and then I feel the texture of it, I smell it, and see what plant roots are in it. You get an instant outcome. The other thing that I use in soil testing is a dowsing pendulum to find out what I need to, if I need to be adding anything and what. As far as sending soil samples to a lab, I did that at Duke's Plain. In the latter years there, we established that we were up around 5% organic matter across that place. The district average was somewhere between 0 and 1. So we'd really lifted our soil organic matter levels with the management we were doing. But yeah, how do I know that it's going the right way with the management is the soil, testing it with my pocket knife, smelling it, feeling the texture of it, looking at the pasture species, looking at how the animals are doing, and looking at the trees on the farm and the health of the trees. So those are probably the main. It's just basically, a lot of it's just basic observation, but also yield recording. How many grazing days are we getting? And we use what's known as stock days per hectare per 100 millimetres of rain. So basically it's a measure of how effectively we're using our rainfall and how many animals we're grazing for that rainfall. So on this farm, when I inspected this farm, I took soil samples and sent them off to the environmental analysis lab in Lismore, Southern Cross University at Lismore. And I just wanted to check that I wasn't buying something that had some really massive deficiencies, that basically I didn't want to come and start creating a silk purse out of a sow's ear. So I wanted to know that you know, it was reasonably, could work with me rather than ending up with something that was unworkable.